show you because it's just kind of deep in there. But that's the aortic semilunar valve. Okay. And that is pretty much it for the heart. Let me just show you the human heart here, just because it's cool to see. It's also getting a little bit oxidized, which is not so cool to see. But here's the pulmonary trunk here coming off. And one thing that's really nice that you can see in this heart is if we look on the backside, you can see how the pulmonary trunk splits into a left and a right pulmonary artery. Okay. So here's pulmonary trunk coming up. There's the left pulmonary artery and the right pulmonary artery. Okay. And that was just hard to see in our animals because it was kind of back behind everything. But again, there's left and right pulmonary arteries coming off the pulmonary trunk. And then this is a human, so here's the arch of the aorta. And coming off the arch of the aorta, there's actually 3 vessels. This is called the brachiocephalic, and then this is the left common carotid and the left subclavian arteries. In our animals, these two are together, and so there's just a brachiocephalic and a left subclavian artery coming off the arch of the aorta. So, if you ever find a heart just lying on the ground, and you're wondering if it's a human heart or some other animal, even if it's the right size, you will be able to tell by how many things are coming off the arch of the aorta. Okay. Which actually may seem silly, but we used to have a big bucket of hearts, and there were human hearts and calf hearts all mixed together in there, and that was very helpful. So that's it for the heart and these critters. And then the only other thing on the list was the lymphatic system, and I said, hard to see, but try, meaning give it a try, but it's really difficult, and I don't think did any of you find it? Okay. If you find it, maybe I'll give you like some bonus points or something, because I've never actually seen it in our cats or rabbits. I've seen it in people, which are much bigger and easier to find. Okay. But it's good to know about it. So, okay.